Hi, I'm Terry, and today I'm going to show you how to open up the newer S-Series Sentry electronic safes with a new tool that we've just put out. It's the black box. I call it the dumb black box, and it opens up specifically these particular safes. In the past, we hooked up computers, we had circuit boards, we have Bluetooth, USB, we have cat cables, we had all sorts of ways of bypassing safes, but it cost thousands upon thousands of dollars. This tool is relatively inexpensive when you compare it to what we've been using in the past. So I made this tool specifically for locksmiths to open these things right away. And let me show you how you do it. Basically, the safe has to be functional. If it's showing the red error, if it's always showing the error flashing at you, this tool will not open. We have a problem internally or with the solenoid. So this tool is meant to open up a functioning safe where the customer has lost the combination and they can't get in. It's very, very simple. You don't need power. You can have power or no power. It doesn't matter. So we'll just take the power off of this. Remove the screw in the bottom, twist, turn. This is what we call the 4-wire. Remove the 4-wire. Hook up the 4-wire to the back of the dumb box. You can see it's locked. Basically, I'm just going to turn it on. You'll see the red light come on, the green light will come on, and you hear a click and the safe will open. Turn it on. It's red light. Hear the click. Open. Turn it off. Now what's really, really cool, besides opening the safe with no damage and no sign of entry, the lock, we hook up the power again. Battery, let's hook up the battery. So it's functional, no errors. 1, 2. It's opening. So we've overwritten the factory code, we put in our own code, so now you can open this safe, the customer can open the safe whenever they want, no damage, everything works. So go to MrLocksmithTraining.com and purchase this for $295 US, and we'll ship it to you as soon as possible. Also, go to MrLocksmithTraining.com and you can look at my online locksmith training. I have all the various drill points, how to open these safes when nothing works, everything's failed. The safes, I have the drill points, other methods of opening. I got the drill points for the bolts, the solenoids, where the solenoids are. And also, we're going to have most of the Sentry line will have all the drill points and various methods on how to open up the Sentry safes. So go to MrLocksmithTraining.com and purchase some online training. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.